YouTube. What is goody? My YouTubians, what is goody? It's been a minute. We got a lot to discuss today. I'm gonna give you 3 tips on how to make more money as a photographer. If that's your goal, if that's what you're interested in doing, if that's what you dream of doing, if that's what you're doing, if that's what you're about to do for your photography business or your video business. If you're trying and you're hustling and it's just not working and you're like, how do I do it? I can't do it. Yes, you can. Everybody could do it. Anybody could do it. Listen, if I could do it, you could do it. If you could do it, the next guy could do it. All right? With no hezzy, let's get straight to the point. So tip number 1, stay in your own lane. See what works for you. If you like shooting cars, go shoot cars. Go shoot cars for free. Go find cars that you want to shoot and go shoot them. And then eventually you get paid for it. If you keep hustling, keep working, keep networking, go do it for 3 people for free. And the 4th one, you'll be like, yeah, I charge $200 to do this. And then boom, there's $200. Or I charge $500 to do this. Boom, there's $500. And all you did was 3 for free. So that's 3 plus 1, 500 divided by 4. You're still making over $100 a shoot. All right, what's the next step? Step number 2 is under promise and over deliver. All the time, every time, no matter what. Under promise and over deliver. Because if you are paid for 5 photos and you deliver 10, the client is gonna be like, wow, you know, they're so great. You know, look at these, I got extra. I got more than what I paid for. I got value out of that deal. Providing value is the most important thing. So if you under promise and over deliver, you're instantly providing value. The client is getting more than what they paid for. Plus, if that work is good, they're gonna love it even more. A quick example of under promising and over delivering is this recent car shoot that I had for a 1971 Mercedes. I'll insert the clip right now, but this video right here, the client only paid me for photos. They were selling the car, it was going to an auction site, and they only requested photos. But I delivered a video. I gave them a video too. Why? Because 1, I thought the car was beautiful. It was in immaculate condition, almost mint condition for a car that's 50 years old. And the client can remember his car by that. In a month, a year, 5 years, he's gonna look back and be like, wow, I remember that Mercedes that I had. Instead of just looking at photos, sliding through a photo gallery. Now he has an awesome little 20, 30, whatever, however long that was, second video of his car that he's gonna remember and feel more attached to because of that video. And that's cool to me. I did it because I love the car. It looked amazing and I wanted to make a video of it, not just take photos. But here's a good example of over delivering. He only paid me for photos, but now he has a video too to show off to his friends or whatever, whoever it may be, his wife, his kids. 20 years from now when he meets somebody with the same car, you know, oh, this used to be mine. That's a great example of over delivering but under promising every single time. So if you're gonna over deliver by over delivering. Do it right. We're not trying to skimp anybody here. I'm not trying to cheat anybody here. I'm trying to provide value to everybody I work with, every company I work with, every person I work with. Provide value to them in the form of digital content. Step number 3 is to continue working through your ups and downs, people. Continue working through those dips. There's gonna be high peaks and low valleys. Continue working through them. My people, the stock market goes up, it goes down. If you consistently continue investing into it, you're gonna grow over time. You know, if you're smart. So same thing with this. If you're smart making business choices, business decisions, and you're smart with it, you're gonna continue growing over time. You're gonna have ups, you're gonna have downs. But if you keep putting in the work and the energy and the effort, your business is gonna grow. You are your business. You need to represent it the way you want your business to be represented, the way you want yourself to be represented. That's the way I conduct business, and that's the way I try to continue to grow, and I try explaining to people that this has been working for me so far, and maybe it'll work for you too. That is it until the next video. I will be answering any questions that anybody has. If you guys want me to make a video discussing another topic, let me know. But 3 tips for making more money with your photo and your video business. 1, stay in your own lane. I cannot express that enough. 2, always under promise and over deliver. And 3, always continue working through those ups and downs. I cannot express that enough. It's always gonna get better. It's always gonna get brighter. The sun is always gonna come back out after those rainy clouds. My people, all right? Peace out. I'll see you in the next video. Follow me on Instagram, Freddy G, that's me. Peace.